Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the based Froc token. So this is a meme coin, obviously on the base chain and obviously about a frog. So name of the token is based Froc. Ticker symbol is Froc, F-R-O-C. And this token just got two very big central exchange listings starting today. So we're going to go over the information on the based Froc token. We're going to talk about how you can get it. And we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, two different announcements. There was one today saying that the Froc token was listed on Mexc Global this morning, which is a very big central exchange. And then also a very cool new big central exchange called Weex, just posted 4 hours ago. New listing alert on Weex. We're excited to announce the upcoming spot listing of the based Froc token. So listing time was this morning also, February 19th, 5 a.m. UTC time. So this token is available now on Mexc Global and on Weex. So you could use either one of those exchanges to get this token. Now, if you don't have a Weex or an Mexc Global account, I do have both of those referral codes down there in the description box. You're welcome to use either one of those. So basically all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Weex or that Mexc Global referral code in the description box. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search FROC and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So there's some other huge projects like the Stability World AI token being listed on Mexc Global and Weex. The Mind AI token. There's so many of them. I'm going to be posting today about huge projects being listed on Mexc and Weex. So check out both of those exchanges. Check out check out all the videos that I'm posting. So they just posted basically this. Or they just listed this token on both of those exchanges. And then there was an Mexc Global pump alert that they just posted recently, shortly after the listing. And it says, Mexc pump alert Froc was initially listed on Mexc and saw an impressive 367% increase since listing and a market cap surpassing $20 million. So there's token is doing very well, even after the listing here on Mexc and Weex. They have a community Telegram that you could follow, which is at Froc CTO on Telegram. So CTO implies community takeover. And you can find the community takeover claim for this token on Dex Screener. We'll have a look at that in a second, but they have 579 members in this new CTO group on Telegram. 284 of them are online. It says Froc on base deployed by Coinbase. Now if you go over to Dex Screener, they have that Telegram link, but then they also have a link to a tweet from Coinbase wallet. So if you go there, it says this is updating metadata, just a way easier for ERC20 tokens to include. So there's like this tweet here that they posted basically talking about the Froc meme. I'm not sure. I don't think this token is actually deployed by Coinbase. I think they tweeted like the meme about it, from what I understand here. I could be wrong, but it doesn't look like this token is actually from Coinbase. It says launched as a test token by Coinbase. First party to claim the DEX were scammers, it says. So that is why the community has now, those people are out of the way, and now the community has taken over, and it says a community claimed ownership for this token February 18th, which was just yesterday. And so they had the test token on Binance. TST was the ticker symbol. There was a tutorial video on how to create a token. CZ posted it, or Binance posted it, or whoever. And people noticed that they were talking about, here's this test token. It was an actual token. People aped in on it. It seems like it's a very similar narrative, a similar thing to what happened with this project. Except now it is a community-run token, and and so you can find all that info on DEX Screener. So this is almost like the base Froc token is like the base version of the Binance Smart Chain test token, from what I'm seeing here anyways. But they have 10 different liquidity providers on Uniswap, 4,503 holders. Token pair was created 5 days, 14 hours ago, so it's a very new project here. You can find them on Basescan. It says max total supply is 100 billion tokens, 18 decimal places on this token. And they have 579 members, 284 of them are online on the community Telegram, and that appears to be the only social that you could really find where you can actually join and discuss the project, it seems like, unless more get created soon. But the numbers on this token are pretty crazy here. So it's trending number 4 on DEX Screener. It's up 63,763% in the past 24 hours. Has a 24-hour trading volume of $42.9 million. $1.6 million worth of liquidity in Uniswap, 27,365 transactions today, and then token price today 0.00018 USD per token. So very popular project today. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.